How is a factory like this not bankrupt yet? Probably only Lalba can manage this. A ridiculous move by Lalba turns old iron into no iron, multiplying its value many times over. What you see here are the main materials used for processing. They are almost all leftover scraps from other factories. By the wall here, a worker hammers the rusty wires into short sections. One strike isn't enough to cut them off completely. Each piece has to be broken by hand. The work looks simple, but doing it all day long, most people wouldn't last. For the cut wires, another worker bends the ends into circular rings. Again with just a hammer and a concave iron block. Although the bending looks a bit complex, the worker handles it quickly and neatly. Perfectly precise. This is inseparable from his over 10 years of forging experience. Roughly calculated, each ring takes about half a minute. A 2-meter long chain takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Luckily, labor costs are low at Lalba's place. If it were here, it would have shut down long ago. Though the chain looks ordinary on the outside, its quality is reliable. It could even hold an elephant. The next step is to refine the appearance. First, the worker removes the oxide layer with an acidic solution. Soak for a few minutes. Then take it out and rinse with clean water. Next, place it in the drum for deep processing and polishing. After these steps, the chain transforms from old iron into no iron. The final step is electroplating. Even though Lalba's workshop is small and simple, the production process is thorough. After soaking, for more than 10 minutes, the drum is lifted. Opening the door reveals the chain shining brightly. It looks dazzling. Finally comes a tempering treatment to form a dense and stable, protective layer on the surface. This enhances the overall quality. After drying, the old wires are perfectly transformed into treasure.